Hello, this is Rima Dardenne, and welcome back to Rima Says, where we have a weekly discussion about all things design, decor, travel, and living a luxurious lifestyle with our home. This week, I'm going to be helping you create the perfect dining table setting for those special occasions you'd like to invite your loved ones over for. 1. Start with deciding the theme for your soiree and finalizing your guest list. 2. Planning your theme ahead of time can help decide the menu and decor for your gathering. 3. Fresh flowers in your dining room will always add an unmatched freshness to your setting. And 4. Fresh ingredients, simple recipes, and flavorful dressings paired with your choice of drinks and always a smart choice for any gathering. 5. Put on some great music, add some candles, and personalize your table to your liking. Those were some of my best tips for a wonderful time with your loved ones. Enjoy, have a great party.